Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix audio sound problem in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Go to the start menu and type control panel and hit enter. Change view by large icons and scroll down and select troubleshooting. One moment. Select troubleshooting, one click, and select hardware and sound, one click, and you can try the process in two options. The first is playing audio, right click and select run as administrator. Click on next and wait a moment. In this case, the fixed solution is turn off sound effects and enhancements. You can try any other options for troubleshooting. In this case, I select yes, open audio enhancements. In this new window, click in or mark this option, disable all enhancements, and click on apply and click on OK. And you can repeat the process in the second option, recording audio. Click on next and click on close the troubleshooter. Click on close, wait a moment. The second option is go to the start menu and select device or type device manager and hit enter. In this new window, select audio and input device, scroll down and select speakers, right click and select update driver, one click is the first option and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, one click, and if you receive any wizard or setup, click on next, install and waiting for the installation. You can receive this message, the best drivers for your device already installed, and repeat this process in all speakers of audio device in your PC connected. You can repeat this process in microphone, update the driver and select the first option, search automatically for drivers, click on next, install and close. To apply, I'll change restart your computer, close this window and go to the start menu, click on the power up button and click on restart. Login in your desktop and your problem has been fixed. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.